Hey, it's Patti Allred here. Hey, I am hoping to have my WordPress site up this weekend, up and going, pattiallred.com. Y'all be able to come and interact with me there too. And it's Patti with an I. Let's see. I wanted to hop in here. I wanted to tell you, yesterday I had like, I don't know, 4 Zooms or 5 Zooms. Have you ever had those days when you're just zoomed out? And I didn't feel great yesterday. The pollen's trying to kick my butt. But I got on all but one, and I'm going to go watch the replay of the one. But last night, when I got off of my last one, and it was actually a training. I hate those little, there you go, little donuts in my glasses. But when I got off the training last night and I was checking my emails, I had 2 sales. And that was from a program that I signed up with that was like stupid cheap, but the value was amazing, and I actually posted about it in here. But I had 2 sales. And I was like, right, this is one of those emails, you know, where you get and it says, oh, you've made commission or you've made a sale. And then when you click on it, it says, I'll show you how. No, it wasn't. I really made 2 sales. And listen, I just got started with that one. So if you want to know what it is, if you want the information, just, you know, in the comments here, just say info. And I'll send it out to you. Look, if it's for you, it's for you. If it's not, it's not. But if you want something simple that you're going to make money with, and somebody that is explaining it in a way that pretty much anybody can understand, and you don't have to be techie at all, you know, put it in the comments, info, and I'll give it to you. You know what? Even when you don't believe in yourself, somebody else is believing in you. I believe in you. I really do, or I wouldn't be here. I don't like getting on lives. Look at my hair. It's still wet from where I took my shower this morning. And geez, yeah, it's a lot of it. And I need to get it cut. But anyway, that'll come. But even when you don't believe in yourself, somebody else does. So use that belief if you need to. It's fine to do that. I think our biggest issue is fear of rejection, peer pressure, the others' opinions of us. And what does it matter? Zero. But it's real to us. It's just the fear of someone disapproving with what we do. It's the root of our freaking weakness, this fear. So I want us to get over it. We can, but just remember that when you don't believe in yourself, somebody else does. I believe in you. If you need a quick little pick me up, hey, I love you, shoot me a message. I'm here. That's what I'm here for. But really, when I got off that training last night, that last one, and I was tired because I didn't feel great. I actually did all my training and all my work in my bed yesterday. But look, I had 2 sales from that new program that I signed up with, and I'm telling you, it was dirt cheap. But I saw the value in it, and I checked out this guy, and hey, if you want to do it, do it. If you don't, it's fine. Go find something that works for you. But just, you know, drop it in the comments, info, and I'll get it to you. Next week, I'm going to be doing some lives on here where you can interact with me if you'd like. I will let you know what times I'm going to be doing that. Also, I've got the special on the, the spotlight post in here. And we've got almost 3,000 entrepreneurs in here that are seeking the same thing. I'll get you, Hope. Hey, I will send it to you. I appreciate you being here because, listen, I seriously thought, and that's my stinking thinking, I thought that the emails, I even said to myself, yeah, right. Because I just got signed up with this, and I actually didn't even really remember putting the affiliate link out there. But I did, and got 2 sales. one was not much money, and one was, I was like, dang, what the heck was it? Because I don't even think I paid that much for it. But anyway, that's the name of the game. And it's hooking up with somebody that really knows what's going on out there and what needs to go out there. And let's quit offering these products or even buying these products that it's just a freaking waste of time. And that's what I want to do for us, because you know what? If we're not enjoying life, we are missing it. And that is my mission here, is to help you make money online so you can be home with your kids or whatever, or if you want to go to work, go to work. That's totally up to you. But I want you to enjoy life. And it's going to take a load off. Let's be active in here. Look, I'm here to help you, but we have the Spotlight Post bundle that is a special that you can get in front of our almost 3,000 people. I started a training last night on Pinterest, and I've got the free Pinterest tips that are in here, and it's from the same lady that's doing the training that I started last night. And she's going to allow me to add the updated information to the training that I have in there. She is freaking amazing. And so are you. All right, let's go get some stuff done. I'm feeling better today. I still want snow because I feel like the snow helps me with this pollen stuff. But I'll get the information out to you guys that message me or put info in the comments, and we'll rock and roll with this thing. You make it a great day, and I will talk to you soon.